Okay guys, so I wanted to take you on this journey because I'm about to redo my makeup room. So for one, don't mind the mess. Don't mind it because it's about to be all taken down and redone. So let's go. But first, subscribe button down below. Don't forget to like this video if you like videos like these, and turn the notification bell on just so you don't miss another video. Okay guys, so this is my current makeup room. Don't mind the floor, we rent, and I'm gonna mop it, but he did not put tile in our house, so we're stuck with the like this linoleum type of thing. It's so ugly. But here is my current makeup room. Very, very messy, very cluttered. I'm gonna try to condense it as much as I can. So yeah, all that's filled with my makeup. This is filled with my makeup. I just bought a smaller table because I want to put this table behind me, put that and that underneath the table so I have more room, and we'll go from there. So this is gonna be on this wall with the smaller table in the middle, so I have more floor room out here. I would like to put that mirror over here and put this chair over here and get rid of my shoe thing, like redo it or something, I don't know. But this is what we're working with today. A bunch of products, not enough room, so I probably will condense that stuff after I'm done moving the furniture. So I'll come back with an update soon. Okay, so I'm shaking because that was really heavy, but I got it. I'm about to redo the contact paper on top. I just get it from Target or Walmart. I'm probably gonna try to take this off. Yeah, I can take it off. So I'm gonna take it off and redo it basically. I'm obsessed with marble, y'all. So that is what my next project is, the next step. Hi. Okay, so this is the update. We got that moved there. Don't mind everything. I ran out of space in the trash. Then we got this. I just wanted something more condensed so I can have more floor space. That is what it's looking like. I'm gonna do the shelves probably another day because my feet hurt so bad. But this is what we have so far. Still working on it, but we're coming along. Okay, so a little tour. We got this over here. Don't mind my closet. This is my boyfriend stuff. Just ignore that. But this is like my palettes are down there. All face mists, makeup, candles, humidifier because of asthma, you know. It's cute. And then we got this, which decoration up there. All my serums, oils, and some toner. Joa Beauty champagne. I'm out of breath, y'all. Like, this was so hard. Okay, so then we got this little cute little thing here. This needs to go back in my toolbox. More makeup, lotions, feet stuff like that. Don't mind the floor. I need to sweep again. And then we got my big desk I used to film on. I know I couldn't get it all off, and this is a poor job, but whatever. I have to get the bubbles out of it too. But we got a Revlon box with makeup in it, and then a lipstick tree. Got this from TJ Maxx. Got this from TJ Maxx. I guess that looks okay. So flowers, dry shampoo, a wood watch, and body sprays. And then my favorite thing ever, which is a facial steamer. Do a video on my favorite skincare tools soon. But then we got all my Kylie stuff and some Auric and my lip liners, eyeliners, all this stuff. More Kylie skincare, primers, then primers, skincare, Hidden Jewel Cosmetics down there, and some more things. My friend Tara gave me those, and I got the body mirror that I just put vertically to make the, you know, room look bigger. Then I don't know where to put that yet. Then all my brushes, my monitor, which I got for my job, thankfully. Some new products, a Coke, gotta have Coke Zero. Then my microphone, I'll list all this stuff. I'll list my Amazon shop down below so you can shop this stuff. Yeah, my microphone will be listed. This is from Target. This is from IKEA, by the way, and these are from Walmart down there, which I have all my makeup in it. And so does this, like, pretty spacious. So I need a new chair if y'all can link a chair that's like cute and comfortable. Yeah. And it's got some personal stuff in there, like stuff I use every day. My sponges. Y'all check out Lily's chilies. So delicious. I'm gonna get another white desk to like continue on, but for now my computer will be here because I try to keep my computer away from my microphone because yeah, it doesn't sound good. Yeah, I don't know. And then I got a Canon T6, which is linked. Well, it's all that's down below. I just stole my mom's tripod because mine broke. Yeah, and then this ring light is actually linked down below. You can use my name for money off. So yeah, I'll link it down below. It's really good though. Like it goes from 0 to 100 and then cool white. I keep it around in the middle. So that is my little space. I am not tackling this side of the room today because my feet and my back and my butt hurt so bad. Okay guys, so I've gotten some packages today. Ignore that, but I'm getting a new shoe rack. I don't like that one. It falls apart every minute. But I'm gonna get a new rug. But I moved the mirror and everything. Like literally, I switched spots. That was so hard to move, but this is what we looking like. So far, it's coming along. It's coming along. It's coming along. I'm bloated. Don't mind that. But yeah, so this is basically finished. I just have to do my laundry, put my new stuff away. Yeah, but subscribe. Let me know if you want like a makeup collection video. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.